Welcome to Guide You Right channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn off, how to disable sleep mode on Instagram. So Instagram sleep mode is one of the features that can be set within the app on Instagram. Official website and app is called quiet mode or sleep mode or good night mode. By turning off notification during specific times, you can avoid being disturbed by notification when you want to concentrate or while you're sleeping. However, if you forget to set your sleep mode, I've shown you how to turn on this mode on your Instagram. But what if now you want to turn off this feature? You want to disable it maybe for some reason, or you want to reset the time of your sleep mode. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. You can log in into your account. After that, you can go to your profile. If you're on your sleep mode, you'll see like notification in here on your profile, the text that you're on the sleep mode. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can go to time management, type on time management, and as you can see in here, my sleep mode is on. So my sleep mode time is from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. And if you want to turn off, it's very simple. You can just tap on the toggle in here. So you have disabled this feature. You have turned off your sleep mode from your Instagram. But if you want to, you just want to change the time, like the start time and also the end time, you can just choose in here. You can choose on the start time, maybe for want to change it from 10 p.m. and the end time is at 6 a.m. And also you can choose the days. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off, how to disable sleep mode on your Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about Got You Right channel. Thank you and see you.